Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today our topic is prefix and suffix. This is from your 8th lesson, Snakes in India. First we'll see what is a prefix. Prefix, noun. Prefixes are the letters which add to the beginning of the word to make a new word with different meaning. Prefixes are the letters which add to the beginning of the word to make a new word with a different meaning. Second point, a prefix can create a new word opposite in meaning to the word the prefix is attached to. Third one, a prefix can also make a word negative or express relation of time, place or manner. Based on this definition, we have some examples. Let us check. Here most common prefix dis, in, un, miss, ill, im, pre, etc. Based on the definition, when we add some letters before the root word, it will be a prefix. Then the root word with the prefix, it creates a different new word with a different meaning. Here I gave the root word and the new word with the prefix. First one, honor. Honor is the root word in this, and when we add dis before the honor, here the new word is dishonor. Likewise, able, unable, understand, misunderstand, perfect, imperfect, legal, illegal. After prefix, here is the definition for suffix. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters attached to the end of the word to form a new word to change the grammatical function or parts of speech of the word. For example, the verb read is made into the noun reader by adding suffix er. With this example, please check the definition again. When we add a letter or group of letters at the end of the word, here in this example, read is a word. At the end of this word, read, we are adding er. By adding er, the word changed into reader. So, these last two letters, er is called suffix. So, the word read is changed into reader by adding suffix er. Most common suffixes less, ness, li, re, us, hood, et, meant, full, etc. Here are some more examples. Care. Care is the root word. To this root word, we are adding less suffix. So, the root word changed into another new word. Here the care changed into careless. Again, we are taking the same word care in the second example. But this time we are adding full as a suffix. So the care changed here as careful. The third one is fair. Here suffix is ness. So the word fairness. Fourth one, again fair. This time we added ly, ly. So the new word fairly. Fifth one, child. What is the suffix here? Yes, we are adding hood. So the new word is childhood. Textbook exercises. Students, let's check the textbook exercises here. Look at the following words from the text. Number 1, precaution. Number 2, dangerous. The word precaution consists of two parts, pre and caution. Here the pre is the prefix and the caution is the root. Likewise, the second one, the word dangerous consists of two parts, danger and us. Dangerous. Here the root word is danger. And what is the suffix here? Yes, us. Dangerous. Here some more examples in this table. We are dealing with prefix here. Just remember the definition. When the prefix is added to the root word, the meaning will be changed and the new word will generate there. Here, the first one, dis. The meaning is not. Root word like. Like means having interest. So, here prefix is dis and the root word is like. So, adding these both words, here is a new word, dislike. So, dislike means not having interest. I already told you before, when we add prefix to the root word meaning will be changed when the new word generate. Next, in. Here according to the prefix, in means not. Root word, correct. Root word meaning exact one. The root word correct and its meaning is exact one. After adding prefix and root word, here is the new word incorrect. In is a prefix and root word is correct. Adding these two words, the new word is incorrect. For incorrect, the meaning is not exact one. You can compare the root word meaning and also the new word meaning. Here, it is a negative meaning. Likewise, you can see the third one. Ill is a prefix, root word literate and a new word illiterate. Root word meaning able to read and write. New word meaning not able to read and write. Likewise, the fourth one, un is a prefix, root word known and a new word unknown. So, here root word meaning having knowledge of something. New word meaning not having knowledge of something. And the last one, miss is the prefix, root word understand. Next, new word misunderstand. What is the meaning for root word here? Understand means able to know. And here the new word meaning is not able to know. Hope you understand this table. And the first one prefix and its meaning, that means prefix meaning, and the root word its meaning, new word its meaning. When we add prefix to the root word, a new word will come. like dis plus like, dislike, in plus correct, incorrect, ill plus literate, illiterate, un plus known, unknown, miss plus understand, misunderstand. Here some more textual exercises. Just go through them. Here is a prefix, root word and new word. First one is already done for you. Discourage, discourage. What will come in these blanks? What will be the prefix for active and legal, able, believe, and what are the new words will come after adding this prefix? We'll check out. Here is the table with answers. Prefix, root word, new word. Prefix is dis, root word is courage, and the new word is discourage. And second one, in, active, inactive, ill, legal, illegal, unable, unable, disbelieve, disbelieve. Here one more table, but this time suffix. Observe the headings. The places are changed in this. Root word came to first and suffix in between and a new word last. Here just check the examples. Root word, its meaning. Suffix, its meaning. And a new word, its meaning. Let us check these examples. Root word is bore. Bore means dull, tiresome. When we add suffix dumb, means here state of being, the new word is boredom. And meaning for the boredom is state of feeling bored. Second root word sad. Meaning for sad is showing sorrow. And suffix ness. Ness means here like. New word sadness. New word meaning being sad. And the third one quick. Meaning for the quick, moving fast. Here we are adding lee, quickly. Lee is its meaning in a manner. New word quickly. Quickly means rapidly. And the next one brave. Brave means here ready to face anything here. The suffix is ry. Meaning behavior condition. New word. How the new word came here? Here the root word brave and suffix is ry. So brave plus ry, the new word is bravery. Meaning for the bravery, courageous behavior. Next, root word joy. What is the meaning for joy? Joy means happiness. Here suffix ous means full of. By adding these two words, root word and suffix, we got a new word that is joyous. Meaning for it, full of happiness. And the last one, brother. Meaning for brother, a boy in relation of other sons or sisters. Suffix, we are adding hood. Meaning for this hood, state of being. And the new word by adding these two words, root word brother and suffix hood. New word is brotherhood. Meaning for brotherhood, the relationship between brothers. Students, we can check root words and suffix and new words. Once again. Bore plus dumb, boredom. Sad plus ness, sadness. Quick plus lee, quickly. Brave plus re, bravery. Joy plus us, joyous. Brother plus hood, brotherhood. Hope you understand. We are adding letters or a group of letters adding to the root word to create a new word. Here is the textual table for suffix. They gave us root word and suffix and new word. Here first one is done for us. First root word is king. Suffix dumb. What is the new word? Yes, it is kingdom. And what about the remaining root words? What we have to add as a suffix and what will be the new word? Let us check. Here are your answers. Go through them. We already discussed about the first one, king plus dumb, kingdom. And come to the second one, rich. We are able to add both suffixes. We can add both. We can add ly and we can add ness. By adding these two suffixes, we can get two different new words. One is richly and second one is richness. And the third one, brave. This is the root word. Here again, we can add two different suffixes. By adding ry, we will get a word bravery. By adding ly, we will get bravely. And then fourth one, fame. What is the suffix? Us. What is the new word? Famous. And last one, root word is boy. Suffix hood. What is the new word here? It is boyhood. Students, here are some textual exercises. You have to fill these blanks by adding prefix or suffix. Let us check them. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the suitable forms after adding a prefix or suffix of the word in brackets. First one, he was acting in a very dash way. In bracket, that is a child. Second one, this word is very difficult to spell and even worse, it's dash. What is in the bracket? Yes, it is pronouns. Third one, you shouldn't have done that. It was very dash of you. Here the word is think. Fourth one, he did not pass his exam. He was dash in the second attempt. In bracket, the root word is succeed. Fifth one, some of the Indian cities are dreadfully. Root word crowd. Sixth one, the team won the dash. What is the root word here? It is champion. Then the seventh one, there is a very high dash that they will be late. In bracket, likely. That is the root word. Eighth one, I couldn't find any dash in his theory. The root word weak. Ninth one, there was a 3-hour dash because of the strike. The root word is stop. 10th one, you need a dash of motivation, organization and revision to learn English. Here what is the root word? Yes, the root word is combine. Students, here in the bracket you have root words. Think about the prefix and suffix and write appropriate word in the given blanks. Students, here are our answers. Let us check them. He was acting in a very childish way. Why we took childish here? Because child is the root verb for given sentence. Here, is this a prefix or a suffix? Of course, it is a suffix. We add suffix to the root word child. So the answer, childish way. And the second one, this word is very difficult to spell and even worse, it's dash. Based on the root word pronouns, we are giving here pronunciation according to the sentence. Third one, you shouldn't have done that. It was very thoughtless of you. Here the root word is think. Fourth one, he didn't pass his exam. He was succeeded in the second attempt. What is the root word? Root word is succeed. Some of the Indian cities are dreadfully crowded. Here again we added suffix, the root word crowd. Sixth one, the team won the championship. What is the root word? Champion. Based on the root word champion, according to the sentence, we give suffix to the root word champion. So the word, new word is here the championship. And seventh one, there is a very high likelihood that they will be late. Based on the root word likelihood, likely, we gave likelihood. Eighth one, I couldn't find any weakness in his theory. Weakness is the new word here after adding suffix to root word weak. Ninth one, there was a 3-hour stoppage because of the strike. 10th one, you need a combination of motivation, organization and revision to learn English. What is the root word here? Here the root word is combine. Based on the root words and demand of the given sentence, we have to add prefix or suffix to the word to create or to generate a new word which suits to the sentence. Students, hope you understand this session. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.